In this video, I'm going to show you my photo book from Saal Design. Hello, my name is Stuart Wood and welcome to this video. This video is part exciting and part depressing video. The photography show was supposed to take place this weekend but has gotten cancelled due to the coronavirus. Now, I had business cards printed out and I had an idea of printing out a photo book that I could present to vendors there to drum up a little bit of interest in my work and in the YouTube channel. So I got it printed out. I have it delivered here. Obviously, I'm not going to be going ahead and taking it to the photography show because my work will completely change by September, which is when it's been rescheduled for. So I will have to get another book ready for September. But we're going to take a look at this now. We're going to unbox it, have a look at it, and see what we think of this photo book. So this photo book has come from Saal Design. You will see a link in the description for their website. Go and check them out. And they got books for all different kinds of budgets. Now for this particular book, the Saal Design sent me over a coupon to get a free book printed. They want me to do an unboxing and a review of the book, which I was willing to do since I needed a photo book anyway. So I opted for the 40cm by 30cm book. This is the largest one they do. And this one is in their professional line. So let's take a look at this now. Oh, wow. That is nice. That is very nice. And of course, we have Susan on the cover. Why wouldn't we have Susan on the cover? That is a fantastic image in my opinion. So I opted to have the gift box. Let's put the book to one side. So we have this gift box here, which is going to help keep it nice and clean and safe when I store it away. So I add that as the optional extra. So I chose to have the acrylic cover, which I think that looks fantastic. Your work always looks better in print, and I am planning to do some art prints later on this year. Hopefully, fingers crossed, if I can find a decent printer that will do it in the quality that I want. Those are going to be limited edition prints. They're going to be numbered and signed, so if you're interested in that, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, so we have the Macro World, See the Unseen, Macro Photography by Stuart Wood. And there we go, look at that. Right off the back, I think I chose a font that was a little bit too big for this particular book. So when I do the one for September, I will shrink that down a little bit. But these look fantastic. There is Susan. That was taken with the Tokina 28mm reverse. I absolutely love that image. And I want to recreate that with Bungie as well. But I want a more of a widescreen feel for that one. We have, you know, me, a little bit about me. The original image that started the channel. This is the original image I took in 2016 that sparked my interest in jumping spiders. And I solely wanted to photograph just jumping spiders, which is why there's so many on the channel, because I absolutely love them. I had it on matte photo paper. You only pay an extra £6 for the matte photo paper. It looks gorgeous. But the colours look almost bang on, and that is a fantastic job considering that my calibrated monitors are only calibrated for the home office and not calibrated for their printing studio. So to get it that close is very good. I'm quite impressed with that. There we have Doris. A little bit of writing about jumping spiders. We have some more jumping spiders. As you could probably guess, the book is full of jumping spiders. These look fantastic, really do. Bungie looks great on there. Oh wow, look at that. That turned out beautifully. But if you look in the middle here, this is a lay flat binding, so that when you open the book up, your print is perfectly aligned. You don't lose any of your image. And this looks really nice. I am definitely going to update this book and get a new one done for the photography show in September. And if you want to have a look at any of the videos that I've done to create these images, then check the description. I'll have some links down there to some videos of where I created this content. Very nice. That silhouette image there, I'm going to be redoing that this year, and I might do a video on it. So if you're interested in that, let me know again in the comments below if you want to see how I did that mantis silhouette image. We're on to mantises now. Impusa fasciata, a budwing mantis and an orchid mantis. Wow, this looks nice. This looks very nice. Now this is one of their higher end products, but they do products again ranging for different budgets. So if you don't want to pay the price I paid for this, you can go ahead and have a smaller book printed in a different format. And to get these books done, you've got to go into Saal Design's website. There you can download a piece of software that you can use to design the book. And I found it very, very easy to design the book. They have layouts that are already for you in the software. What you got to do is drag and drop images over to where you want the images to go. Same with the text. Very easy, and everything snaps and lines up very, very nicely. Very easy software to use. I think the print results are fantastic. Spiders on Women, this was an interesting project which I wish I had filmed it for the YouTube channel. If you want me to redo this project and film it for the YouTube channel, let me know. Wow, that looks really nice, that does. That looks very nice. That image, I love that image. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And so brave for Kirsty to have tarantulas crawling all over her naked body. It was unreal, that shoot was. This one is a second favourite, and that looks gorgeous. And we finish off with one of the latest images of a jumping spider that I took with the new Canon MP 65mm lens. So this I had bound in black leather, same as the box. I don't know if it's real or fake leather, you'd have to look into that. But that is an absolutely gorgeous book. I am going to proudly show people this book. This is the first book I have had printed out of my work, and I'm sure it's not going to be the last. And most likely I will go to Saal Design again to get another one printed out for the photography show later on this year. Or indeed, whenever my bulk of work is better than what is in here, I will print another book out and just keep on doing it, so I have a record of my journey. I really wished I'd printed out some of my old stuff. I might actually go back and print out some of my old stuff so that we can see, you know, the progress of my work. Well, that is my photo book from Saal Design. Again, check out their link in the description there. Go and have a look at their products. I think this turned out fantastic. Great value for money, in my opinion. So I'm going to go away and enjoy my book. I want to thank you for getting to the end of this video. My name's Stuart Wood, and as always, I'll see you on the next video. They wanted me to do again. My name's Stuart Wood. I'm going to I keep hitting my microphone. So I'm going to go away. I'm going to enjoy looking at my book and basically having my head. And again, I'll see you in the next. Fucking delayed, man. So if you've gotten to this part of the outtakes, you're probably wondering what this is about. This is my new macro lens. This is a very expensive lens. You cannot get this in the shops. Everyone is out of stock with this lens. I could probably sell this lens for 10 grand right now. It's got 1 to 10 times macro zoom capabilities on it. It stays clean as well, and if you get your lens wet, it automatically soaks up the moisture, so you're not getting the water on your camera and on your equipment. Fantastic lens, but like I said, at the moment, it's very expensive and you are not going to find this. You can try and find it in the shops if you want to, but I can guarantee no one will have stock of this in any shops.